Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use recipe book in Grow a Garden Cooking Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, you will get recipe book here. You can click on open recipe book, and to unlock each recipe, you need to cook something. For example, if you want to get donut recipe, you need to cook a donut. And these are the foods I have cooked, and then I'm going to cook another food. For example, I'm going to cook pie to get the pie recipe. I'm going to cook pie, so I'm going to use pumpkin and also apple. Okay, submit pumpkin, and I'm going to submit apple as well. Alright, and then I'm going to click on cook. And as you can see that now I'm cooking pie. And now the crispy is craving for pie. And then we just need to wait for a moment until the pie is ready. And then we'll be able to unlock new recipe in the recipe book. The food is ready and I'm going to get the food. Okay, and I'm going to open up the recipe book, and as you can see guys that now we have unlocked new recipe. Okay, it's pie recipe because we have just cooked pie. Okay, and this is for the recipe. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.